Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Cards by Kate Fletcher. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please do consider subscribing to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming to watch my video today. I really hope you are all happy, safe and well. So let's jump straight into the video. This is my first collaboration of the year. I am collaborating with Ros and Christine. I'll link their channels in the description box of this video. And what we've decided to do is to use this Hunkydory free gift. This is the bear one that came out at the end of last year. And the idea is that we are going to use a piece of the kit every month until it's used up. So because we're uploading on the last Sunday of each month, we decided we'd use the Valentine's section of the kit this time around, so that we had it if any of us wanted to give it to our other halves or loved ones ready for Valentine's Day. So let me show you what I have made. So I ended up making this card here. This is a peekaboo card. It's really cute. Now I did make one of these for Philippa for Christmas and she loved it, and then I was looking at the images and I just thought, you know what, these would work so well with this style card. So that's what I decided to make. The peekaboo isn't my design at all. Jennifer Maguire's done this card, and Sam from Mixed Up Crafts made this on one of her Facebook lives just before Christmas, and that's whose tutorial I followed for this card. So if you're wanting to have a go, all you need to do is pop into YouTube search bar peekaboo card and Mixed Up Crafts and it will take you straight to Sam's video. On the back of the card, I've just stamped out on plain white card, "I like you more than crafting, and that's a lot." That was the sentiment from Creative Stamping magazine, and I think that will make John laugh and be very happy. If you've been with me a while, you will definitely know how much I love to craft. So yeah, I think that will make him very happy. And then I've used this little pop out here as well. So I absolutely love what I've made. I think it's really cute. Hopefully John will like it as well. I'm really excited to see what the other ladies have made. I don't think any of us will do the same thing, and that's what I really love about collaborations, is when you're using exactly the same kits or papers but everyone does something different. So it's really nice inspiration as well. So do go and have a look and see what they've come up with, and let me know in comments what you think of my peekaboo card. Thank you very much for watching today. I hope you have enjoyed this short video. I'll be back soon with more videos. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.